Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℕ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝕋 back again with another video. So as you see on that screenshot in the middle of the screen, your girl has landed a nail polish collab. Shout out to Born Pretty for the collab. I am going to be showcasing their it's like a nude kind of kit. You got some pinks, some yellows, some mauves, some pinks. Yes, so here are the colors here. It doesn't say like a specific name to the color, but I will have the Amazon link down below, and stick around to the end and I have a nice surprise for you all. You know I don't ever come to you halfway, I always come the full way, and that is, you gotta wait to the end. You should know what I'm getting at. Anyway, so in this video here, I'm going to show you how I create my EbsNailedIt press-on nails. So here I am doing the, as you've seen from the previous clips as well, I did the colored Cow Girlz set. So basically I start out with like a, I don't want the background, the base of the nail to be really colorful, because I want the colors to kind of, you know, be the ones that show out on each nail. So basically I'm just gonna kind of do like a little clearish, nudish type of situation. So I'm just putting this it's kind of like a clear, kind of milky white, off-white color on, and then I'm going to cure those, and then I'm going to go in with like a nudie kind of almost translucent pink. These are not the Born Pretty polishes. The Born Pretty polishes will be the ones that make the statements as the cow prints. So here I think I was using the other pink color to kind of offset it, to give it like a nudie pink translucent type of look. I kind of like that with my colored Cow Girlz set. I really love the colored Cow Girlz, y'all. It's lit. If you want the colored Cow Girlz, wait again to the end and I will show you some more stuff as to how to get your own set. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do that to each nail. So basically I did one coat of the kind of clear translucent color, and then I did one coat of the translucent pink. Put those under the lights for 60 seconds each go round, each color go round. Okay, get my words out. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go in with a white polish and start putting in my cow spots. And I just do this really random. So like if you were to order a colored Cow Girl set, every set is going to be different. Every nail is going to look almost different. Well, once I kind of start a set, I kind of keep like the same general pattern going on, but if you see a picture, your set will not look like that. It's going to be specific to your set and how, you know, I kind of create in that moment. So I kind of just put the white spots where I see fit, and then I'll go ahead and do those for all of the nails, and then I'll go ahead and put those under the light and cure them. And then, okay, next clip. All right, so yeah, this is just me doing it again, showing you how I put the spots on the nail. It's kind of, and I'm here, I think I was on the phone too, but kind of, it's just, I make sure I don't pick up too much polish on the brush, and make sure I just kind of, you know, really like, it's really loosely done. But it looks so good in the end. I really love how they come out every single time. What was I gonna say? Yeah, that's just been it. Y'all, how have y'all been? Tell me in the comments, how was your day? Oh, I posted yesterday, because today is Wednesday. I posted this morning at like 12, like midnight, and I was like, the video's gonna be out today, like for real this time, because y'all know I will post and say that I'm gonna post, and then I don't be posting till like the next day or 2 days later, but that's neither here nor there. So now I'm gonna go in with the Born Pretty polish. It's like this it's kind of like a light mustard color. It's like a pastel-y yellow. Pastel-y, that's not even a word, but you get it. So yeah, I ended up starting with that color, and then I said, you know what, I'm gonna do two colors on the set. So I did the pink and I did the yellow, and I love how they came out. So basically I'll just go ahead and repeat the same steps, put the pink and the yellow spots in, and then I'll go back with my dotting tool and put in the like little spots. So yep, I'll let you guys rock out and watch the rest. So of course we're gonna treat this, like I said, it's a press-on set. So therefore I'm gonna act like my little girl here. This is her regular hands. We're going to, this is how you should apply your EbsNailedIt press-on nails. Make sure you shape your natural nail, clean up the shape. Make sure everything is cleaned up, and then you're gonna buff the top side of your nail. And I was really just doing this just for the video, because you see I didn't really do too much right there. So then you're gonna take your file that's given in your little kit. You're gonna go ahead and buff the top of the nail, and do that to all of your nails, and then clean them off with alcohol. And then you go ahead and apply the nails, and you apply the glue to the press-on nail, and then you apply it to your natural nail, and then you just line it up very, very carefully with the cuticle line, and you just press and hold for about 15 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. Press and hold it, and then you're good to go on to the next one. I suggest doing the thumbs last, just for the simple fact that your thumbs kind of help you aid putting on the rest of the nails. So yeah, I usually say put on the thumbs last, obviously if you're putting it on your own hands. And then that's pretty much that, y'all. I just really love this little set. It was really giving what it gave. So I'm gonna let y'all rock out again, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so it's closer to the end of the video, and I told y'all if you held on to the end, I have some good news for y'all. So you go on Amazon, I have the link down in the description. You have to get the nudes, grays, and pinks, that specific colorway kits. And if you type in Naturalbeautyeb, I don't know how you say it. Anyway, you'll get 20% off of your purchase until July 14th. And then I also have some news as far as EbsNailedIt go, because, you know, I got to look out for my people. So, you know, this is just if you want to have a little, you know, a little polish, you know, my nail artists that are out there, go ahead and get that polish and get that percentage off. And then if you go to my Etsy store, like I said, it's EbsNailedIt, and you select, you know, if you want the colored Cow Girlz and you want them little pastel sets, you go to the colored Cow Girlz, you pick your length, and add it to the cart. And once you add it to the cart, you type in thank you 10. That will get you 10% off of your order. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just wanna be your girl.